shiny. I've won 3 times.
Ching.
I've won 4 times. This is my 3rd in a row. All right. Melinda!
Oh, yeah.
Woo!
With your guitar.
With the guitar. Yeah.
This is the first time I ever won.
Robert!
Come on, Robert. Didn't we win and beat Olympia?
Yeah.
What'd you do?
Robert also has the distinguished honor of writing the most words in the region.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you. And this was 5th win in a row.
Next. Debbie!
Debbie!
Thank you. This is my 5th nano and 5th win.
Woo!
Wow, I'm going to put you on the bottom of the pile because you've got...
Yeah, because I've got the camera, so just don't even.
Jennifer!
My first one.
Abby!
I've won all 3 times I've done it.
Lindsay!
Yeah!
This is my 6th nano and 4th win.
And you fly all the way here from Rhode Island.
2 years in a row now.
Alright. Nino, who's behind the camera?
Hi, this is my my first time ever. Yeah. So.
And I am a horrible person. I'm sorry. I didn't make
Aww.
You know, I can't. I have one for you. It's just not okay. It's in my thing. No, it's not okay. I'm a bad,
You're your own brother.
horrible. I didn't make myself funny either. That makes you feel bad. Aw, I'm sorry. I'm gonna go make you one right now. I'm gonna go huff a marker for you.
Okay.